This generation's flagships, the Z Fold 5 and S23 Ultra, both offer incremental improvements over their respective predecessors when compared to each other, but there are plenty of differences between what are undoubtedly two of the best Android phones money can buy. The S23 Ultra has one of the greatest AMOLED displays on the market, measuring 6.8 inches diagonally and refreshing at a rapid 120 Hz. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 takes a more maximalist approach with its twin-screen foldable form factor. If the outer 6.2-inch display becomes too crowded, just unfold the smartphone to reveal a big 7.6-inch canvas. Both AMOLED panels boast 120 Hz refresh rates, so you'll have to sacrifice visual fidelity or smoothness when switching between them. They don't get as bright as these 23 Ultra's displays, but it's not a game changer in real life. However, it's worth noting that the Fold 5's cover display is significantly narrower than most smartphones. It's perfectly usable, however, if you have bigger hands, you may find the keyboard a bit tight. Similarly, when viewing video, you may see big black bars. However, unfolding the Fold 5 will preserve your location in the app and provide you around 60% more display space than the S23 Ultra. As a flagship Android processor for 2023, the S23 Ultra and Fold 5 use Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU. It provides a modest increase in peak CPU performance and a vastly improved GPU over previous year. Both phones run Android 13 with the Samsung One UI interface as an overlay. However, the Z Fold 5 has distinct multitasking interface capabilities enabled by the large internal display. Because of its need on moving parts, the Fold 5 suffers somewhat in this category. While the hinge is expected to last the device's lifespan, you should keep it away from sandy and dusty settings since it only supports IPX8 water resistance, as opposed to the S23 Ultra, which supports IP68 dust and water resistance. Foldable durability has improved with each generation. A total display failure along the crease, there's a lot that could go wrong, so if you pick up the foldable, consider paying for Samsung Care Plus as well. The Z Fold 5 is thinner and leader but unfolds to reveal a larger display than this 23 Ultra, as you'd expect. The Fold 5 and his 23 Ultra feel nothing alike in the hand. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that been said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.